Ew, it's a dirty Intellivision, everyone. Look how disgusting it is. Oh my God. It is nasty. Ew. What even is that? I don't know. Cleaners. I need cleaners. Help. Oh.
Nice.
Oh. Oh my gosh. If you're wondering what to use to clean your Intellivision, well, let me tell you. It's a very, very secret cleaner. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. It's like brand new.
Oops.
Show that controller. There we go. Oh, wow. That's amazing. All right, let's see if we can get the rest of this cleaned up here. Oh, yeah, you can see the stuff coming right out of the corner. That's gross. Wow.
Get off there.
Oh, can you show the dirt on the rag?
Oh, yeah.
So you get it down to the... Oh! Oh! All right, let's keep going. Let's get this other bay over here cleaned out.
Trying.
Oh, finally got that spot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Scratched it with the fingernail. I heard it.
I wasn't trying to do it too rough, but it's stuck on there.
Not anymore. What? Is it going to just wipe right out of there? Let's see.
It almost did.
Oh, man.
Gotta get this.
Oh, it's amazing. Can you get this front edge along the front here?
Oh.
Let's see. Oh, man, the wood grain just popped. Woo! Still had the old Night Stalker slip in there, huh? All right. And there you go, folks. That's what you do when you clean a really dirty Intellivision. You make it clean again, and it's happy. And no sponsors or anything, but this is what I use. Spray Away, world's best glass cleaner, foaming action, ammonia-free, streak-free shine. Cleans fresh scent, and it smells wonderful. Have a good one, everybody. Later.